We're going to look now at creating expressions from a description. So we need to change words into expressions. Write an expression for each of the following. The sum of 3 and k. Now remember, the sum means to add. So if I add 3 and k, so it means 3 plus k. That is a. And remember, that is the same. We might as well say that that is the sum of 3 and k. It's the same as k plus 3. It doesn't matter which way it's around. 1 plus 2 is the same as 2 plus 1. So any one of those answers would be fine. Let's look at B. The product of m and 7. So the product means I multiply m times 7. So m times 7, but we're not going to write m times 7. M times 7 is going to be 7m. So that will be my final answer. In C they ask 5 is added to 1/2 of k. So I have to add 5 to what? To 1/2 of k. So k divided by 2 will be 1/2 of k plus 5. Now please make sure that you understand this. 1/2 of is the same as 1/2 of means 1/2 k plus 5. Those two things are exactly the same. Because if I say 1/2 k, it's 1/2 of, which means multiplication. 1 times k is k divided by 2. So it's 1/2 k plus 5, or k divided by 2 plus 5. Our last question, D. What is the sum of A and B, or the sum of A and B is doubled? So the sum of A and B, so A plus B, that answer is doubled. If I want to double that, it means I'm going to multiply that by 2. But I have to put it in brackets, otherwise I'm going to say A plus 2B. You have to get this answer first, the sum of, and then it's doubled. And the correct mathematical way to write that is to put a 2 in front. So it becomes 2 times A plus B. The sum of A and B, the sum of that is doubled. If it was the sum of A and double B, it means it must be times 2B. But in this case, it's the sum of that and that. So we add it together and then we multiply. And that's where the bracket is very important.